Hello and welcome to Celestial Space Facts. In this video, we will tell you about top 12 amazing facts which will blow your mind. Let's get started. We are sure that you will enjoy the video. Fact number 1. Neutron stars can spin at the rate of 600 rotations per second. Neutron stars are one of the possible evolutionary endpoint of high-mass stars. They are born in core collapse supernova star explosion and subsequently rotate extremely rapidly as a consequence of their physics. Neutron stars can rotate up to 60 times per second after born. Under special circumstances, this rate can increase to more than 600 times per second. Fact number 2. Space is completely silent. Sound waves need a medium to travel through. Since there is no atmosphere in the vacuum of space, the realm between the stars will always be silent. That said, worlds with atmosphere and air pressure do allow sound to travel, hence why there's plenty of noise on the Earth and likely other planets as well. Fact number 3. There is an uncountable number of stars in the known universe. We basically have no idea how many stars there are in the universe. Right now, we use our estimate of how many stars there are in universe, our galaxy Milky Way. We then multiply that number by the best estimate of numbers of galaxies in the universe. After all that maths, NASA can only confidently say that all zillions of uncountable stars. A zillion is any uncountable amount. Fact number 4. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. Since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere, there is no wind or water to erode or wash away Apollo astronaut marks on the moon. That means their footprints, rover prints, spaceship prints, and discarded material will stay preserved on the moon for a very long time. They won't stay on there forever though. The moon's still a dynamic environment. It's actually being constantly bombarded with micrometeoroids, which means that erosion is still happening on the moon, just very slowly. Fact number 5. 99% of our solar system mass is Sun. Our star, the Sun, is so dense that it accounts for whopping 99% of mass of our entire solar system. That's what allows it to dominate all the planets gravitationally. Technically, our Sun is G-type main sequence star, which means that every second it fuses approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen to helium. It also converts about 4 million tons of matter to energy as a byproduct. When the Sun dies, it will become a red giant and envelop the Earth and everything on it. But don't worry, that won't happen for another 5 billion years. Sixth, the fact number 6 is more energy from the Sun hits Earth every hour than the planet uses in a year. The use of solar energy has increased at the rate of 20% each year for past 15 years. The world added 30% more solar energy capacity in 2017 meaning that 98.9 gigawatts of solar energy was produced that year. Fact number 7. If two pieces of same type of metal touch in the space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. This amazing effect is called cold welding. It happens because the atoms of individual pieces of metal have no way of knowing that they are different pieces of metal, so the lumps join together. This wouldn't happen on Earth because there is air and water separating the pieces. The effect has lot of implication for spacecraft construction and the future of metal-based instructions in vacuums. Fact number 8. The largest asteroid in our solar system is man-moth piece of space rock named Ceres. The asteroid, which is sometimes known as dwarf planet, is almost 600 miles in diameter. It's by the far the largest in the asteroid belt's mass. Ceres' surface area is approximately equal to the land area of India or Argentina. The uncrewed just finished up its mission orbiting Ceres and helping us totally transform our understanding of the world. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Venus has an extremely slow axis rotation that takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full cycle. Funny enough, it takes Venus even less time in Earth's days in order to complete one revolution around the Sun, 226 to be exact. Furthermore, the Sun rises every 117 Earth days, which means that the Sun will rise only 2 times during each year, which is also all technically in the same day. Since Venus also rotates clockwise, the Sun will rise in west and set in east. Fact number 10. Jupiter's red spot is shrinking. Jupiter's famous red spot has been shrinking over the past few decades. This spot on the planet is a giant spinning storm that used to be able to fit about 3 Earths. Now, according to only 1 Earth can fit inside the spot. Interestingly enough, as the storm is shrinking in width, it's actually growing taller in length. As of 2018, scientists are still stumped as to why this phenomena is occurring in the first place, but some theories that it may have to be with jet streams on Jupiter that have either changed direction or location. Fact number 11. One of the Saturn moons had a distinct two-tone coloration. As of 2018, this strange occurrence isn't present on any of the other moons in the solar system. Epatus, one of the Saturn's 62 moons, is actually a pretty unique celestial object. This moon has a very distinct two-tone coloration, with one side being much darker than the other. Lepidus' color has to do with its position in relation to the rest of Saturn's moons. It turns out that Ephesus is way outside Saturn rings, and because of this, it gets hit with a lot of space debris from objects that might be passing through its orbit, explaining the dark areas according to Forbes. Fact number 12. The position of North Star will change over time. Navigation will be weird when Polaris stops being the North Star in about 13,000 years. In case you didn't know, Earth's axis goes through a motion called precession, which means that the planet's axis will change and trace out the shape of a cone even if it's slightly. When this occurs, it takes around 26,000 years for the axis to trace out a complete cone shape. To add to this, Polaris, the Earth current's North Star, will eventually begin to shift positions as the Earth undergoes precession. In 3000 BC, it's believed that North Star was a star otherwise known as Alpha. In about 13,000 years, the star Vega will be new North Star, but in 26,000 years, Polaris will return its original position as the Earth continues to go through precession. We really hope that you enjoyed this video and add knowledge to your space facts. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to Celestial Space Facts and hit the bell icon so that when we post anything on our channel, you are being notified. Celestial Space Facts welcomes you and shows you the gratitude that you are supporting to the channel. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love, love. Have a nice day.